what, honestly, the karate from Reagan, that's another from Reagan, honestly. The karate from Reagan is a whole different from Reagan, honestly. I'll do it, but that's a whole different thing, seriously. We'll do it. I bring bricks, like, a lot of bricks, and we do breaks, and it's, it's exciting. I'll show you guys movies and stuff. This is a different story. This is a regular shop for Reagan. That's what Mrs. Weiss asked for. Any questions? Any requests? Any questions?
Are you still able to do karate blindfolded?
No, I didn't even try
to keep it up throughout the years.
I keep up the karate. I'll tell you what it is. When I was in the prison service, one day, it was in 2000 and I retired in 2005. This is maybe 4 years early, about 2001. The manpower officer comes up to me and goes, "Okay, Rabbi Jacobs, the prison service has decided to teach self-defense to the staff. We're sending you all out to get trained in Wingate, the Israeli training center. We're looking for volunteers. We need 20 volunteers for the course. And our prison just volunteered you." So they sent me another 20 guys out to Wingate. And for the last 4 years of my service, I was teaching karate to the service, to the staff also. So yeah, I've been keeping it up over the years.